Okay.
This model has a good sales record since it was first sold. As you can see, this hairdryer looks simple and stylish. Although the design is very compact, but it can still add anion function. As we all know, negative ions produce negatively charged ion particles that neutralize positive charge in the hair. So we can smooth hair and animate state electricity, let hair look smooth and shiny. So this dryer is easily to meet our daily hair care requirement. We also has 2 speed and heat settings. And this one can be the cool short function. When used in the hotel, this button is on and off switch. One more important is this dryer with overheat protections here, and it can ensure you and your family one short circuit caused by leakage.